Hello guys, and welcome back to Abyshomekitchen. Thank you for stopping by and for your support. Please click the subscribe button. Thank you. So today I'm making a seasoned potato wedges. This is one recipe that is so easy and it really appeals to me. It's tasty and you could also make it spicy if you want. And also, if you've been following my channel, you would know that I love a lot of potato recipes. It could be boiled, it could be fried, it could be grilled, just like this one you're seeing here now. So I'll be sharing this recipe here. But first guys, please, I need your support. So don't forget to click the subscribe button. Also, click the bell button just so you always get notifications as soon as I post a new recipe. You could also support by sharing this with friends and with families. Thank you very much, and I hope you do enjoy. So first, what you want to do here is to have your Irish potato well cleaned by washing them. You also want to cut them into these wedges, not too big a size, and have them in a bowl. And here I'm adding all the ingredients, and the first thing I used was a coconut oil. Also, if you've been following my channel, you can understand by now that I always advise that you use whatever pleases you. So in place of coconut oil, you can use any other vegetable oil. I'm using paprika here, some chili pepper, some salt. It could be optional also. And I'm using some seasoning cubes here. And I also use some onion flakes. So just give that a thirst. And you could also mix them with your hands while wearing a clean glove. Just make sure everything is properly mixed together. So if you want, you can leave this to marinate for just a few minutes. But however, you can grill immediately. So I set this in my lined pan and grilled at 300 degrees for about 45 minutes. So in between that, I'm going to be checking just to see if the potato wedges is soft enough, and so you just want to be checking that. So guys, with my potato wedges here, I served it with some shrimp skewers and some avocado, homemade avocado dip. So guys, like I said earlier, thank you very much for your support, and keep the support coming in by giving me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button if you haven't already, and also share my videos with friends and with families who would have interest in learning wonderful things. Thank you very much once again, and see you next time.